Well, good morning, good morning. What a fine morning in western PA and soon to be northeast Ohio. It's starting to feel like fall a little bit. Jonathan had a football game last night and it was cool. Like the air was crisp once the sun went down, and it's starting to feel like fall a little bit. I am heading to the Sugar Works this morning. I got a lot to do and no one's around today, so I will be able to get some things done. We need to unwrap a new piece of equipment we got, kind of get it ready. So yeah, it's just kind of a mellow day today. I have to unpack a new piece of equipment for maple sugar and see if we can get it in place. So thanks for stopping by. Catch you at the end. Okay, here's the plan. Jonathan and I are going to disassemble the crate. This is a Ironside 17.5 cubic foot ribbon blender. Working with the owner, Cody. This is out of California, and I like him. He's like my age. He's an entrepreneur out there grinding, so I thought, well, this would be a good guy to work with. But Jonathan's gonna help me. Look at this gearbox. All right, we are gonna need a
crowbar?
That, and we're gonna have to unbolt it.
What if we just leave it on this thing?
Because you can't move it around. You can move it around with a pallet jack under here.
Well, what? Well, it looks like it's built for a pallet jack under here.
No, pallet jack will not slide under there because there's a bottom. This is not going to be that difficult. Okay, so Jonathan's keeping me on track. We're just going to uncrate it.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta go find a crate. Dean likes to reuse stuff, and he's pretty good at it. So I like to save stuff if I can. There we go. Once it's off, I think it'll just come right off.
Oh, look at that.
You?
Yeah.
All right, we'll make a pile right here. Get behind it more. See how deep it gets?
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Like this?
Yeah, so somebody can pick it up with a pallet.
Okay.
So you want to balance it. So this will sit like that.
Okay.
And then we'll just leave it for somebody else to clean up. That's what I do. So another secret about Wonder Bars, if you really got to pry something,
Yeah.
everybody thinks that you should pry like this.
Yeah.
The truth is it has more strength and torque prying like that. So I'm gonna go this way. That's a lot of torque.
Oh.
Yeah. Jeez. All right. Sure, this was purchased at Lowe's or something. Surprised how strong those staples are. So on this one,
Oh, just hit it.
this guy actually makes decent trim. Wow. Now for this,
I can pull.
I don't know that you'll be able to pull it out.
You will.
You're in the way though.
Look.
Here, stick the screwdriver right behind it and try. Heavy side.
Oh, man, my hand's just like.
Your wrist?
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. This is almost done. All the way down. Keep going. Stick it right on the pallet.
You out of the way?
Yeah, let me help you. Gotta take it apart.
Seriously?
Yeah. So much for being careful.
Hold on.
Put the bolts together,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna go get a forklift.
Where do you want them?
Just set them over off to the side. I want to interrupt this video real quick to tell you about a deal. A deal kind of like this $400 car my wife got at a garage sale. I mean, it's a Michael Scott special. $400. That's all she paid for this car at a garage sale. It's worth $400, right? I mean, the deal's, you know when a deal's good. Anyways, the owners of Ironside, the owner, Cody, wanted to offer you viewers that are watching the channel a free shipping offer with promo code Bissell. And I want to let you know we're thrilled with the equipment, and yeah, I plan on buying more of this equipment. So, Cody likes what we're doing. We're doing some cool things with maple sugar, and if you want to do cool things with some powder moving equipment, that's what they specialize in, then definitely check out Ironside Equipment, promo code Bissell. Get yourself some free shipping. And I'm gonna go enjoy this $400 Michael Scott special.
You just want me to grab this?
Well, let's throw it right on that pallet.
Okay. Wait.
It's heavy duty. Now this one will go this way. Cool. Okay. It's pressure sensitive, so you just slowly take it down. We'll just do it at the same time.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sweet. What am I hitting? Is it literally too big for the...
Is it?
You know what I'll do? I'll put it down. Put these
It's
down.
not too big.
It's hitting something. Yeah. I don't have to go in there very far, I know that. So let's just lift it up. Keep it straight.
Yeah.
Do you see how it's the opposite?
Yeah.
Steer, steer.
Hold up.
You're good. Oh yeah, we're good. You gotta turn it the other way, buddy.
Yeah.
When you straighten out, we'll go. There you go. Middle of the room, right into that light. I need to go get something outside. Ready?
Is this it?
Yeah, you just take this on. Yeah, I just gotta get something. Just don't cut the stainless. Don't cut any hoses.
Yeah.
Keep your hand away from the knife. The best thing you can do is this. Get your hand on it. You see these serrades?
Yeah.
Serrades, just cut it.
Well, that's it, then. Just gotta...
Here. Guess I'm doing it.
Yeah, I guess you are.
You wanna do it?
Not really. I don't wanna...
Break something?
Yeah, that wouldn't be great.
Parts in there. those little plastic pieces. There we go. That's heavy, whatever it is. Casters. Yep. Just, this would have probably made it easier, huh?
Probably wouldn't. Yeah, it definitely would have.
Whoa.
Wow.
What'd you think?
Wow.
Look at that shiny thing. Ribbon blender. There's an inside ribbon and an outside ribbon. The outside brings it to the center by that drain. See that drain down there? So there's a drain. It's 8-inch. On the bottom, it's got a big pneumatic. So that's what opens and closes this drain. Right here, it's 8-inch opening. Right here, and this is a big opening. This opens that, pivots it down. It's pneumatic. This whole time I thought the pneumatics were for that lid. It's not. All right, man. Pallet jack racing time. Think you got it?
I think so. Okay.
There you go. Really get going though. Pallet jack racing. It's kind of fun, isn't it?
It is kind of fun.
Help me line her up.
A little bit. This way a little bit.
Yeah, we'll move it by hand. I'm talking about stand in the front and see how it looks. Am I straight on?
Yeah.
Set it down?
Yeah. That's basically perfect.
So I come my way a little bit. Ready? Move it right over. Cool.
Can't really see it very well on the camera.
It's like so...
It's so stainless steel.
Yeah,
It's
it's
just
shiny.
amazing.
I think there's a proximity switch right there. All right, dude.
All right.
Ironside equipment. 3-phase. So, this is from John Boy.
Oh, we're in the truck.
Yep. Cool. Okay. So John Boy and I finished up. John Boy, what did we do today?
We unpackaged the sugar maker thing.
What is it? What's that big shiny thing?
Make sugar.
Yeah, it's a ribbon blender. I don't know if it makes sugar yet.
But it's what's it supposed to do?
Put $30,000 on my credit card to buy it.
I thought you
Not
said
a good idea.
I thought you said it was like 10,000.
No, that one was 30.
But you got all. You got
The sifter was 12.
Oh, so the sifter usually would cost more than the.
Yeah, the sifter would cut. Sifter is like a $70,000 investment. Power sifter. So John Boy and I finished up today. He got his energy drinks. What'd you get?
No.
Your Arizona iced tea.
Yeah.
He likes his Arizona tea.
Yeah.
Arizona tea, and I like Gatorade because I'm old-fashioned. John Boy likes all these Jababa drinks.
Yeah.
He likes Jababa drinks. So we finished up. We are heading home, and tomorrow Ralph and I are heading to Michigan. But we unpackaged the ribbon blender and goofed around a little bit. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. It will hopefully do the job. It's kind of an experiment. We'll wait and see. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next episode.